friends, we're continuing with our bear hunt themed week, and today we're going to be visiting a very sleepy bear in this wonderful book called The Bear Snores On, and it is by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Alright, there's quite a few books about our friend bear. Maybe you have one at your house, but I think this is the very first one. I see a little teapot, some cooking. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. He's hibernating. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Shh. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. What a cute mouse. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. He's trying to warm himself with a little fire. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Shh. Shh. Two glowing eyes peep in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see," and they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Oh, what a good time together. Mouse sips, wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. Shh, shh, shh. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch, chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. Shh, shh, shh. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a raven and a wren flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They're all sheltering together. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. Shh, shh. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. Yikes! Everyone's running away. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none." And he whimpers and he moans, and he wails and he groans. groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. Gotta turn the page. But his friends snore on. Shh, shh, shh. Oh, he's the only one awake. Everyone else got all tired out. Good night, Bear and friend. I think after that, all the animals become really good buddies with each other. Maybe we'll have to read another story about Bear sometime. Thanks for listening. Have a good night. Bye, friends.